My best friend is called Jake. He lives in Italy. He likes drawing and painting. When he was 18, he moved to Italy to study at university. He likes drawing and painting, so he studied art. He finished university in 2016 or 2016. Now he is an art teacher at a school in Italy. He loves children and art, so it is a perfect job for him. He is very happy at work. He teaches them to draw, colour and paint. I think that Jake is the best art teacher in the world. All of the children love him and his paintings. The school is in a small village. He can walk to the school because it is near his house. There are only 60 students in all of the school. Jake enjoys living in Italy. The food is great and the people are very friendly. He says that Italian food is the best food in the world. People always think of pasta and pizza, but there are a lot of delicious foods in Italy. It is hot in Italy in the spring and in the summer. It is hotter there than in England. In England it rains a lot and Jake doesn't like the rain. He prefers the sunny blue sky in Italy. Jake enjoys doing sport in his free time. His favourite sport is cycling. He has got a very expensive bike. He lives in the countryside in Italy, so he can use his bike a lot. Another hobby that my best friend has is visiting museums. There aren't any museums in his small village in the countryside, so he goes to cities in Italy to visit museums. Italy is a great country for visiting museums because it has a lot of culture. His favourite museums to visit are art and history ones. Jake loves watching football in his free time. He doesn't like playing football, but he likes watching it on TV. They normally watch it at a bar all together. Their favourite drink is beer. Jake's favourite football team is Manchester City because he is from there. In Manchester, there are two big teams, Manchester City and Manchester United. His family loves Manchester City but hates Manchester United. He loves watching the Champions League with his Italian friends because there are normally Italian and English teams in it. His friends are angry when English teams win, but Jake is very happy. Jake loves living in his house in a small village. His house has got 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a kitchen, a living room, a garage and a garden. The garden is very big. His dog, called Max, loves the garden. He can run and play in it. I think that it is a beautiful house and I love the garden. It has got a lot of trees and flowers. One thing that Jake doesn't like about Italy is the language. He says that it is very difficult to learn. But after 10 years, he understands Italian very well. A lot of his friends talk to him in English because they want to learn the language. In the shops, at restaurants, and at work, he speaks Italian, but he speaks English at home or with his friends. I think that Jake will live in Italy forever. He is very happy there. I like to visit him every spring because the summer is too hot there. I prefer rainy and cold weather, like in England, but I like to visit for 1 week. When I visit him, we normally travel to different cities in the country. I like to visit Rome, Milan, Venice and other big cities. In England, I live in the countryside, so when I go on holiday, I like to visit cities because it is something different. We always go to many restaurants too. The food is amazing, so I don't like to eat boring food at home when I am on holiday in Italy. I also like to meet his new friends. We go to the cinema or watch a football match together. Now we have 5 questions about the listening. Question number 1 is, what type of teacher is Jake? Is he a math teacher, an art teacher, or science? Write your answers in the comment section and I will correct them. Question number 2. Write 3 different activities that Jake enjoys. So, what does Jake like to do? Question number 3. What are the 2 typical Italian foods that we think of? Question number 4. What language does he speak at home? And question number 5. When does he speak Italian? If you have enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video.